So let's talk about change management. It sounds good, it sounds like it's common sense, but you're not really sure where to start. You're not alone. There's a lot of people that have and struggle with the definition of change management. In this short 2-minute video, I'll share with you the textbook definition, and I'll also share with you what I would like to call a practical and pragmatic definition of change management. So for entertainment factor, let's start with what I've heard change management called. It's that hearts and minds stuff. Oh yeah, it's the training. Oh, it's training in a bit of comms. And my personal favorite, oh, it's that warm and fuzzy stuff. Pause for effect. So let's take a look at this slide, and I'll lead with a textbook version of what change management is, and then we'll talk about what it isn't very briefly, and then we'll touch on the differences between project management and change management. So firstly, change management can often get confused with change control. Change control in an overall program is about when you look to make a change request to change possibly the scope, the budget, or the timeline of a project. Change management is something entirely different. So here's my stab at having a definition for change management for you, which you will be able to apply in your organization. So take a look at this slide. Change management is a structured approach. It's fundamentally about the people side of managing a change from the human factor. Change management is about looking at where you are, what's your current state, where you want to be, what's the future state that you want to do, and change management closes that gap. And as I said, it focuses on the organizational side of the business. If we take a look at digital change management, that is something where we've adapted the change management methodology, but we apply it purely for these purposes. It's about integrating digital technology within an organization. So you might have a cloud-based technology that's software as a service. That's absolutely perfect for digital change management. Sometimes it's a light touch, it's an upgrade of the software, and other times it's about an implementation, a phased rollout implementation. So let's take a look at this slide to see what it is and what it isn't. It is a process, it is a competence, and there's very much a structured approach to it. Like project management, there is a set of tools and techniques and templates that we use, very much akin to a structured process. It is not change control, and it's not just about training, and it's not just about communications. That's a really important definition. So this might help you in your organization understand the differences between project management and change management. For me, project focuses heavily on the technology, change focuses on the people. It focuses on engagement and the user community, which is really important when you look at driving user adoption. Change management is really about the why. Why are you doing this and why now? Project management focuses on the what and focuses on the how and often the when. So I hope that helps to explain the difference between organizational change management, digital change management, and fundamentally the differences between project management and change management. Let's go deliver on the promise of tomorrow's technology.